Okay, we got a Shark AZ1000 and the spinner roll right here is not turning. And typically what causes that is there is a switch right here inside. When this is pushed down, this will activate the switch. So what we're going to do is take this apart and move the switch to this old one and get it working again. Okay, so you're only going to need a couple tools for this. The first one is a T20H. It's got the hole in the middle here. And you're going to take out all of these. Okay, there's actually 10 of the screws holding that in. The next thing you want to do is over here on the side, there's two little screws that need to come out. Just pop these end caps off. Okay, then you're going to use a T10H to take these out. There's only two of them. Okay, pop this off. You can take this out. This should pop off pretty easily. The belt's on the other side. You might have to take. Okay, now we need to get this piece off. Kind of just pulls up. Be careful not to break anything. Okay, that should just come out. Okay, so here is the switch. So basically what happens is when this is in here, that will click down and when it's released, the roller will start spinning. Okay, here's the new switch that I got on eBay. You're gonna, it's these blue wires here. Gonna push this in. Maybe some pliers might work a little better. Take this screw out. Pull out the old one. And the new one. Make sure there's no wires caught up in here. Work that on.
Okay, once you get everything screwed back in, you'll start putting everything back together. Put the roller back in. This easily snaps back in. Put the top back on, snap that back into place. Then put the vacuum back together. Plug it in. And there you go. You got it spinning. And when you stop it, it'll stop rolling. As good as new.